How to write a review on Airbnb as a guest. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to write a review on Airbnb as a guest, first of all, you need to complete your stay. Heading over to any of the Airbnb review or the property, you might notice the reviews at the end of the page. These reviews are from the guests that have already completed their stay on the Airbnb property. So for this, we can also head over to the reserve button and then log in into the account. After that, you can complete the stay, that is check in and check out. Only then you can provide the feedback. In order to book your stay, you need to add up with a payment method, decide all of the trip details, and then continue with it. Additionally, you can also send a message to the host and add a phone number for confirmation. This is how you can reserve a booking, and once it is completed, head over to the feedback section and add up your review. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.